Hi, welcome to section 10.2. This is dealing with the addition, which is also considered subtraction, property of equality. Why could I say that it's also subtraction? Remember that any subtraction problem can be rewritten as an addition problem. For example, you can write 5 minus 3 as 5 plus negative 3. So when you say addition property, you're basically talking about subtraction as well. Okay. So what's the property? So if you have two numbers or two qualities here, right? They're equal to each other. A is equal to B. Then I can add something to both sides and I still get the same equality. That's a property of algebra. The way that you can think of this is like you can think of this as a balanced scale. You know, like Lady Justice has the two scales. You know, you have like one scale and then the other. And so this would be the equal sign. So if you add something to one, to keep the equality, you need to add the same thing to the other. Okay, so it keeps that balance, so to speak. So let's do a couple of examples. So let's say here you have x minus 4 is equal to negative 2. So in order to get rid of the negative 4, we want to do the opposite, which is add 4. But because of the property of equality, we want to keep the integrity of the equal sign, so we do it to both sides. This will cancel out, become 0. So then you're just left with x is equal to negative 2 plus 4, which is positive 2. Okay? Now, what about this side? If you have y plus 3 is equal to 10, well, the opposite of positive 3 would be negative 3. Okay? So we subtract 3 from both sides, because 3 minus 3 would give me 0. So it cancels it out, and you get y is equal to 10 minus 3, which is 7. Not too bad. Okay, let's do some super fun examples. Okay, if you want, you can press pause and you can try these first, and then I'll go ahead and do them. Okay, so let's say for number 1, we're solving for a. Let's go ahead and add 3 to both sides, right? So this would give me a is equal to 5 plus 3, which is 8. Okay, so here we have y plus 4 minus 6 is equal to 7 minus 1. So before we do that, we need to combine like terms first. So this is the same as saying y plus 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 1, which is 6. So then to isolate y, we need to add 2, do the opposite to both sides. Okay. So this becomes y is equal to 8. And then next, here you have 3x minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 9. So let's combine like terms. 3x minus 2x just gives me 1x, right? And then bring down the minus 2, and that's equal to 4 minus 9 is negative 5. So we're solving for x. Let's add 2 to both sides. We get x is equal to negative 3, right? Because a negative 5 plus 2, that's just a difference. Where you keep the larger sign, the sign of the larger number, which is negative. Okay. Right. Even more fun examples. Let's solve for x. We have here negative 3 minus 6, that becomes negative 9, is equal to x plus 4. We're solving for x, so we need to subtract 4 from both sides. Okay. Now these are same sign, right? So this is going to be negative 13 is equal to x. Okay. How about here we have a fraction. Still same rules apply. A minus 3/4 is equal to 5/8. So we're going to add 3/4 to both sides. Okay, so let's rewrite this here. So A, this is going to cancel out on the left-hand side. A is equal to 5/8 plus 3/4. So let's do common denominator. Times 2, top and bottom. So this is going to be 6/8. So then you're going to get 5/8 plus 6/8, which is going to be 11/8. Okay. Alrighty. So then what about here? Well, first we need to do distribution property. Okay, so we get 8a minus 12 minus 7a is equal to 2 minus 5, which is negative 3. So we have 8a minus 7a, so that's a, and then minus 12, bring that down, and you get negative 3. So then to solve for a, plus 12 plus 12, and then you get a is equal to positive 9. Okay, and that's pretty much it. This is your homework for 10.2. 1 through 45 odd. Good luck, and I will see you guys on the next video.